Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation about the company Renault. Should you invest in Renault? That's a good question, and in this presentation I will explain why it's good to invest or not. Therefore, I'm going to analyze some ratios and their stock prices. To begin with, here is some information about the company itself. Renault is a French company and it is one of the world's leading automobile constructors. So I'm going to start with liquidity ratios. The current ratio is a liquidity ratio that measures a company's ability to pay its short-term liabilities. So a value above 1 means that the company is doing great. As you can see on the chart, the ratio was under 1 until 2021, which means that they couldn't pay their debts with their assets until 2021. Our other ratio is quick ratio, and that shows the extent to which a company pays its short-term obligations with its most liquid assets. The ratio is important for creditors because they want to know whether they will get their money back if a business gets in problem. This ratio is also in line with the current ratio, which is under 1 until 2021. Next, I have a profitability ratio. Return on equity signifies how good the company is in generating returns on the investment it received from its shareholders. The average ROE for the automobile manufacturing industry is around 13%. So Renault has 3.4 ROE in the last year, and it is below the average of the sector. For the years 2020 and 2019, it was negative. And the next ratio is ROA, and it indicates how profitable a company is in relation to its total assets. So it measures how well a company utilizes its resources to generate profits. The sector average for ROA is around 3.5%. So Renault has 0.77 ROE in the last year, and it is below the average of the sector. For the years 2020 and 2019, it was also negative. Since last year, the price of shares has been falling. Today it is only 23 euros worth, and it was above 30 euros in the previous year. So there is a fall, but with many fluctuations, often between 20 euros and 30 euros. In conclusion, I can say that Renault is one of the biggest automobile manufacturers in the world, and there is a fall in their stock prices. Investing in Renault is not a good idea because the ratios that I calculated are not that great, and their stock price isn't much increasing by value. Thanks for listening.